Need to replace your printer's ink cartridges but not sure where to start? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process for replacing ink cartridges in HP, Canon, Epson and other printers. We'll cover each brand one by one so you can easily follow along with your specific printer. And if you run into any issues and need personalized assistance, feel free to call the numbers displayed on your screen for expert support. Now, let's jump right in and get your printer back up and running. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Replace ink cartridge in HP printer. First, turn on your HP printer. Make sure it's fully powered up before you start. Now, open the ink cartridge access door on the front of the printer. When you do this, the ink carriage will automatically move to the center so you can reach it easily. Wait a moment until your printer is completely idle and silent before you continue. And hey, if you're waiting here, go and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future printer tutorials. Once the carriage is in center and printer is quiet, lightly press down on the ink cartridge, release it from its holder. Once it's released, carefully pull up the ink cartridges straight out towards you. Now, take your new HP ink cartridges out of its packaging. Carefully remove the plastic protective tape using the pull tab that's provided. Here's a really important part. Do not touch the copper-colored contacts on the bottom of the cartridge or ink nozzles on the cartridge itself. Touching those can cause clogs, ink failures and bad electrical connections. Just hold by it by the sides. Hold the new ink cartridges by the sides with the nozzle facing towards the printer. Carefully insert it to the right side slot at a slightly upward angle. Push the ink cartridges in and then push up in until you hear and feel it snap into place. You'll know it's secure when it clicks. Now, if you need to replace other ink cartridges in the carriage slot, repeat the exact same process. Remove the old cartridge and install the new HP cartridge the same way. Once all cartridges are installed and lock in place, close the ink cartridges access door and you're done with your HP printer. Replace ink cartridge in Canon printer. First of all, you need to turn on your Canon printer and make sure it's fully powered up. Next, open the printer's front cover and paper output door, then wait for a few seconds for the printer to respond. After a moment, you'll see the cartridge holder will move and come to the middle by itself. This makes it super easy for you to replace the cartridge. Now, press down on the ink cartridge lock lever of the empty cartridge until you hear the click sound. That click tells you it's released. Then, carefully pull out the fine cartridge and set it aside. Grab your new fine cartridge, unpack it, and gently peel off the protective tape. Just be careful, do not touch the metal contacts or the nozzles on the cartridge. Now, slide the new cartridge straight into the holder, pushing it all the way to the back, and please don't forget the place of the color cartridge is the left side and the black cartridge is the right side. Each color has its own correct position. Next, lift the lock lever upward to secure the cartridge in place. You'll feel its lock when it's the right position. Finally, close the paper output cover and that's it. Your new cartridge is in place and your Canon printer is ready to go. Replace ink cartridge in Epson printer. On your Epson printer control panel, use the right arrow button to navigate and select maintenance and then press OK. Now, scroll down using the down arrow button until you find ink cartridge's replacement. When you see that option on the screen, just press OK to continue with the replacement process. You'll get a prompt telling you open the printer cover, so go ahead and lift the cover if the cartridge needs replacement. Once it's open, carefully pull the old cartridge straight out. Now, grab your new cartridge and slide it right into the slot where the old one was. Once that's done, gently close the top cover of your printer. Head back to the control panel and press OK to complete option to finish the process. And you're all set. The screen will confirm that the cartridge replacement was successful and your Epson printer is ready to use. Replace ink cartridge in Brother printer. Before you start, make sure your Brother printer is turned on. Then, open the ink cartridge cover on your printer. Now, look at your printer's LCD screen and see which ink cartridge's color needs to be replaced. The screen will tell you which one is low or empty. Once you know which color needs replacement, press the lock release lever next to the cartridge to release it. Go ahead and remove the ink cartridge from the machine. Grab your new ink cartridge, unbox it carefully, and take out the new ink cartridge. Now, here's a really important part. Do not touch the ink cartridge in the next area on the label. This can prevent your machine from detecting the cartridge properly. If you're replacing the black ink cartridge specifically, quickly shake it horizontally 15 times before inserting it. This helps distribute the ink inside the cartridge and gets it ready to use properly. Now, insert the new cartridge into the printer in the direction of the arrow shown on the cartridge label. Each color cartridge has its own correct position, so make sure you're putting it in the right spot. Gently push the area marked push on the cartridge until you feel it locks into the position. Once it's locked securely, go ahead and close the ink cartridge cover. Once you close the cover, your Brother printer will automatically reset the ink dot counter, so you're all set and ready to print. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.